Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we'll see how far the switcher is and as it works. I just set up my face unlock here a couple of minutes ago, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We can normal unlock the device. I'll just try one more feature here because I set up my face unlock with the glasses, so I'll try to unlock the device without them. So as we can see, we have no any problem. I can unlock the device with the glasses or without them. So just if you want to try the face unlock method, I suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.